Hi guys, ThomasToy207 back at it with another video in Real Racing Free again. I'm in Pro-Am this time, and I'll be using this Shelby Cobra 427. It's a 1966 model, and we'll see how it goes. This is our circuit. We are ready to rock. We got some new muscle up there and some old muscle. We got some Challengers, or Chargers, excuse me. Some vintage Corvettes. And maybe a few Cobras like ours. We'll see how it goes. We are off. And bang into that Corvette there. Right through the middle. Oh, we are gaining a ton of time. Through the middle. They all break. We might be able to get the lead here. Yes. We are to the lead right away. Around the curve. A little bit in the paint there. We've already got a sizable lead. Hard on the brakes. To the corner. And we have gone out to a sizable lead here. If this keeps going like this, we might be lapping people. We just charged it through the middle and got past all of them. Coming up on lap 2 out of 2, and wow, we are gaining a ton. There must have been some sort of problem with second place there. Through the chicane. No pressure from behind. Down the hill into a hard right-hander. And the power being put down. And we are coming to the line. And we have done it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed.